start off, you need to preheat the pan. When it's heated, put some oil into the pan. Add the ginger. You need to saute the ginger. Add a pinch of salt. When you can already smell the aroma, add the minced garlic. Let it cook, then add the onions. Cook until the onion becomes translucent. You can now put the beef. Saute the meat and add the fish sauce. Let the moisture from the beef dry out. Let the beef turn brown, but you need to stir it from time to time so it won't be burnt. Then add water from the washed rice. And the beef cube. You also need to add salt to taste. Check the meat if it's tender. You can now add the green chili finger, the medium ripe papaya, and chili leaves. Cook for at least 15 minutes. I've used the medium ripe papaya to add that sweet, flavorful taste. Serve while hot.